With one of the most beautiful 18-hole golf courses winding through this mid-sized golf community, residents of Crow Creek are spoiled as they are just minutes from the beach and the fun. Rated as America's second favorite family destination, the nearby city of Myrtle Beach has over 100 golf courses, endless shopping and dining, and a thriving international airport. Inside Crow Creek, you will find the best golf course condos in the area, custom-built homes, amazing clubhouse and restaurant, and lots of friendly faces.